Welcome back to another Codexirra tutorial. My name is Jasper, and what we're going to be doing today is building a deal tracker application within Codexirra using AI. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to log into your Codexirra account. To do that, you can sign up for free at codexirra.com and set up your account there. Once you've logged in, you will see this. Now, what we'll do is we'll actually come across to the prompt library. These are available for everyone and free to use. Of a lot of different applications, over 60 different types that you can just select the prompt for. Now what we'll look for is the deal tracker, so there should be one here, so deal tracker application. Now as you can see, it says please build a complete deal tracker tracking web application from managing sales, deal values, stages, close dates, contacts, companies, notes and tasks. The application should feel like a modern SaaS sales tracking dashboard. Use a clean professional UI with a sidebar layout, dash cards, pipeline views, tables, forms, filters and search, and detail pages. Please build the complete front end and back end for the deal tracker. Now you'll notice that there's no mention of technology or anything like that. That's because it will use React, Vite, Python and Fast API with Postgres for the database for all their builds, and that's because it works with their system perfectly. Our system, sorry. So what we'll do is we'll go generate. Now as you can see, the AI kicks off. It's got a lot to do, such as planning, building out the project, creating all the files and the code. So what we'll do while that is sorting it out is we will cover the rest of the application. So we've got the new button here. If you click that, you can start a new project. We've got the open button. If you click that, you can go to previous projects and open those projects. You've got the export button. Once you've generated code, you can export it to a zip file that has all the code files, so you can upload it to a server or wherever you like. The tutorial button will bring up a pop-up for a tutorial on how to use the platform. We've got the title here that it automatically generates. You can edit the title there as well. Now we have the develop and preview toggles. Now when in develop, you'll be in this area. You will have the AI assistant, the explorer. You'll be able to see the code, edit it, save, whatever you need to do, and ask the AI assistant to do more edits. When in preview, it actually containerizes the real application, so it puts it into its own containerized build with the front end, back end, and database, and allows you to actually use it and use the application to do some debugging, testing, and updates right here within the application. Once you're ready, you can also run a build. So if you run a build, it simulates building the application in production. That means it'll check for any errors, make sure everything runs smoothly, and can actually be deployed on a server. You then have your profile area where you have all your tokens, plans, and profile information. Now down here we have the logs, history, and GitHub. So logs will show any of the logs for the system, the AI, any errors that happen when trying to deploy the application in preview. History will show any of the snapshot builds. So that happens when you do a preview or run a build. We'll save a snapshot here so that you can jump back to it. The GitHub allows you to push the code to your GitHub repo, meaning you can send it right into GitHub and deploy where you need without having to download and do it yourself. Along with that, there is the fix errors button. So if you do get an error when trying to use the platform, you can when you use your project that you've built, you can go fix errors, and it will look at it and find the problem and fix it. We then have the bottom row here. It will be calculating how many tokens you've used and how many you have left for the month, or tokens refresh at the end of the month. If you have extra tokens that you've purchased or been given, those will clock over as well into the following month. The AI assistant, you can just ask it to do whatever you want with the code base, and it will be able to make updates and changes. The explorer actually shows you all the code that's been generated. Once it's done, you'll be able to see it, edit it, and save your changes. You can upload assets, create new folders and files as well, right there in the term, in the UI. Now when you first do the build, it does when it starts off, it does take a little bit of time, but that is because it's doing a lot in the background and getting everything ready to go. It is building the full application for you. So what we'll do is we'll just wait for that to finish. You can skip ahead once you see some code appear on the screen. There we go. Okay, so if we come to Explorer, you'll see we've got the back end, the app and all the details, the front end as well. Now what we'll do is we'll just see if we can preview it straight away. Now sometimes there will be errors at the start and you've got to fix some things, but you never know, we might get lucky. Now this is deploying an actual the application into the preview, so it generates the front end, the back end, the database, everything deployed so you can actually view and use. There we go, so it worked. So we've got our, it's called deal flow, it's called it. We've got our sales dashboard, we've got all the UI that we've asked for, we've got our pipelines with the Kanban, so we can jump around. So it's a good start. I think, if you're actually building this out as an application, you would obviously tell it to go further. But as you can see, just from the very start, you've already got a working application with all the UI and features that you need. And it's really just that easy. Now, one feature with the preview is we do have the AI editing. So what you can do is click this button and you'll be able to actually edit things right in the preview. All you got to do is select the section you want changed, and then tell the AI what you want changed, and then go apply edit, and it will make those changes for you. So that's always easy to do when you're in preview. And yeah, that's it. So from here, you'll be able to develop it further by using the preview or by using the chat here, improve the UI, add any missing features, make things better. And then once you're done, you can either upload it to GitHub or export the code and put it on your server. If you have any questions, don't hesitate getting in contact with the team and testing out the application for yourself. Thanks.